Hi and welcome to another edition of Morgoths Media. I'm going to try and make this video quite quick. It's sweltering hot today in my car. I'm going to do a video on the McSpicy, as you can see here. People have been raving about it. Let's see how hot it really is, shall we? It comes in a bag, or paper. All my salads all folding out, look. Let's get in there, shall we? Let's have a look at this bad boy. So we've got the chicken in there. Spicy chicken, mayo and lettuce. Let's see what it's all about, shall we? Yeah. Oh yeah, full of flavour. That is lovely. You've got the crispiness of the chicken crumb around it. The bread's nice and soft. The mayo just cools it down. The crispy salad, like the lettuce. Oh yeah, you get that heat build up. Oh yeah, it's getting hotter. Looking at around about 3-4 on the old heat factor. Chicken's really nice actually, like proper quality chicken. Look, I'd say that's on board with like KFC chicken, to be fair. Yeah, very much like the Zinger burger. Would I buy this again? 100%. This is lovely. Well done, McDonald's. With you on this one. And lovely, wicked. That's my review on this one. Definitely buy this one again.